Welcome you all again. Our previous topic was displacement reaction. So the next topic is double displacement reaction. Double displacement means anything is displacing twice, means two times. So simply we can say double displacement reaction can be defined as exchangement of ionic compounds or exchangement of metals between two different ions having two different reactivities. Means as example we can write here BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. So what we observe? We observe BaSO4 plus NaCl. So Ba is displacing with what? SO4 and Na2SO4. Firstly Na was attached with SO4 but now it has been attached with Cl. So simply that is called displacement, double displacement reaction. So next topic is exothermic reaction. Exo means releasing and thermic means temperature. The reaction in which during the reaction heat is released. Okay, the reaction in which during the reaction heat is released. So here we can see, write that releasing of heat. What would be example? Example CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is commonly known as lime water. When calcium oxide react with water becomes calcium hydroxide, and during these reactions heat is released. You must have seen whenever calcium oxide is dipped in the water. I am talking about tuna. Okay, solution. The next topic is endothermic reaction. Endo means absorption and thermic means temperature, means absorptions of heat, means the reaction which requires heat to complete it, that is known as exothermic reaction. What will be the example? So here we can write when calcium carbonate is heated it becomes calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, that is generally known as endothermic reaction. Now the next topic is oxidation reaction. What will you understand by oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction. Oxidation means what I told you, adding of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Here you can see the example, when carbon react with oxygen forms carbon dioxide. So here oxygen is adding, or we can say removal of hydrogen. We can take the example of it also. Okay. Next topic is reduction reaction. Removal of oxygen and adding of hydrogen. Okay, the reaction in which oxygen is either removed or hydrogen is added. So here I have written the example HGO. When HGO is decomposed, it's break down into Hg and O2. So what is happening here? Oxygen is getting removed from the compound. So that is reduction reaction. Redox reaction is our next topic. So here I have written reduction and oxidation, that forms redox. Red means reduction, ox means oxidation. Means simply we can say that the reaction in which reduction and oxidation both takes place simultaneously, that is known as redox reaction. Okay. So here I have written the example. Ammonia react with oxygen, forms nitrogen oxide and becomes water. So look at very carefully. N is here with hydrogen. यहाँ N नाइट्रोजन जो है वो हाइड्रोजन के साथ है. Okay, means nitrogen is with hydrogen and oxygen is alone. But what is happening as a product? Nitrogen is getting connected with oxygen, means adding of oxygen, and here hydrogen is getting also added with oxygen. So oxygen is adding with hydrogen. When oxygen add with hydrogen, then that is reduction, and when oxygen is getting reduced, then that is reduction. So both is taking place just because of it is an example of redox reaction. Clear? Neutralization reaction. Here I have written reaction between acid and a base. Means simply we can say that when an acid and a base react to each other, they become neutral, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. So here I have written, you can see clearly, acid plus base forms salt and water, and we know already salt is just an example of a neutral. So when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid is a acid, sodium hydroxide is a base and forms sodium chloride, that is common salt, and releases water. That is the topic of your day tomorrow. Okay.